What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Brutus from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his head shape, so we're gonna draw a curved line across, and on both sides of the head I'm gonna draw a line downwards up to the glasses on the left side, and on the right side we're gonna make it up to the ear. So at the ear point on the right, I'm gonna draw a semicircle on the top part and then extend it down, and a semicircle on the bottom side. And at the lowest tip of the ear there, I'm gonna draw a line down to the jaw, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal line to the center where his chin is, and then I'm gonna draw across a line for the chin, and I'm gonna copy the shape on the right as well and leave a gap on the left side for the glasses. Okay, now for his sunglasses, I'm gonna draw a curved line for the top part, and then with a semicircle corner there, I'm gonna turn it to the center and turn it back up on the side. I'm gonna draw the same thing for the right side as well. And at the side of the glasses, I'm gonna draw a line and diagonally turn to the ear, and slightly below that I'm gonna draw another set of line, and in between the eye I'm gonna draw a line across and a curved line across on the bottom side here. And then for his nose, I'm gonna draw a line down from the center and on both sides, and at the tip of the nose I'm gonna draw a semicircle, and then I'm gonna extend it to the side and turn it up at the corner. Now I'm gonna repeat that on the left side as well. At the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw a line at the side down like that, and for the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line across with the middle part turning up like that, and below the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line there and another curved line below that, and a short line in between the chin. And for his eyebrow, I'm gonna draw from this corner of the sunglass a line outwards and turn it slightly down at the tip, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the left side here as well. On the left side I'm gonna draw the ear at the corner there, and below the ear on the right I'm gonna draw a line down, and below the chin on the left a line down as well. Now I'm gonna draw a circle, an oval from this point across to the right side of the neck, and outside of the line on both sides I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line there, and then extend it outwards, and then outside of that point I'm gonna draw another curved line out, and then I'm gonna turn downwards and then diagonally in, and then at this point here I'm gonna draw a curved line, semicircle around the neck, and make a turn down as you go to the center of the outfit. So at this point here of the line, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and then turn it down. Now on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from the left point right there, like that. And then for the color, we're gonna do the same thing on this side as well. And outside of the collar, I'm gonna extend the line out at the shoulder. And on the right side, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at that tip where the shoulder is and turn it down to the waist. And below the waist, I'm gonna make a turn back slightly out to the lowest point of the suit, right there. And then for his fingers on the right arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and the semicircle turn back in, and then another finger right there. And then for the line of the shoulder, I'm gonna draw a semicircle at that corner and turn it towards the fingers. And for beyond the fingers, I'm gonna continue that line all the way to the left and make a semicircle turn at the wrist, and then I'm gonna turn back to the right and to the elbow, and then make a semicircle turn right there towards the back of the suit. On the waist, on the wrist of the right arms, I'm gonna draw another similar tip of the outfit there for the inner shirt and his hands at the end of that. Now on the left arm, I'm gonna extend this line at the side and then make a semicircle turn down at the elbow, and then make a turn towards the right arm and stop there. And then below the arms, I'm gonna draw his inner shirt collar, so I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from the center point here with a curved line out on both sides, and then I'm gonna turn it sideways on both sides as well. And then for the tie, we're gonna draw a diagonal line from this point to the center and a curved line across for the lower point, and extend the line down for the tie, and in between I'm gonna add a short line. Below the arms on the left side, I'm gonna continue that line of the suit all the way down right there, and then I'm gonna turn it towards out to the left, and then make a turn back up at the side right there. And then for his pockets, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner and two oval shape for the buttons on the side, and a circle at the wrist on the right arms. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the suit on the right side here. I'm gonna extend that line all the way down and then turn it out to the right to reach that point right there, and I'm gonna draw the pockets on the right with the rectangle shape above and the semicircle lower line right there. And then at the side of the suit in the middle, I'm gonna add a dash line, a line to the buttons on the left. And in the middle of the suit, I'm gonna extend the tie all the way down, and at the tip here I'm gonna add a diagonal line to the center. Now below the tie, I'm gonna draw across a curved line where the belt is, and another line below and another line below that. And in the center, I'm gonna add a small rectangular shape and a line at this point, another line there, and another line here, and another line at this corner right there. And below the tie again, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and another line right there, and two circles at that corner there for the buttons. Now for his pants, we're gonna draw a curved line below the suit all the way to the knee on the left side, and then turn it slightly down and back down below the knee, and turn it in just right before the shoe and back out. Then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the back of the pants and then turn it up and make some curve at the bottom point. And then I'm gonna go slightly out as you reach the knee and back up, and then some folding line, and then continue up. Now on the right side, in between of the pants, on the top portion here, I'm gonna draw across a curved line and then turn it down to the right. I'm gonna do the same shape of the pants for the right side as well. And at the side of the pants on the right here, I'm gonna draw another line similar to the outer line on the right there, all the way down. And in between the pants below the belt, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and from this point I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up and continue up with a straight line. For his shoes, I'm gonna draw from the front point of the shoe on the left here a diagonal line to the front, and then make a turn slightly more straight to the front, and then go back down again, and we're gonna turn it down and turn it to the back, and then slightly go up as you reach the heel, and then straight down and go back again and straight up all the way to the lower point of the pants. Now in front of the shoes, we're going to add some lines where the tie is, and on the lower portion of the shoe, I'm gonna draw across from the front to the back a line of the base, and we're gonna do the right shoe facing front. So I'm gonna draw a curved line on the side, on the left and right. Then I'm gonna go out slightly for the left side, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal turn to the front and then diagonal turn back to the side on the right, and then make a semicircle turn to the point right there. And I'm gonna add a similar line to the lower line along the base of the shoe, and we're gonna add a few strings on the top portion of the shoes there. Now we can add two lines coming down in the middle of the shoe, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the side. You're gonna do the same thing on the left side right there as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.